Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is my first video. Welcome to Dr. Zahir Math YouTube channel. If you like my explanation, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon for updates. Share it with your classmates. Calculus 3 Introduction. We have 4 modules. The first module is Parametric Equations and Polar Coordinates. The chapters which we are going to study under this module are Curves defined by parametric equations, Calculus with parametric curves, Polar coordinates, and Calculus in polar coordinates. So, what are the applications of this module 1 in your field of engineering? Number 1, mechanical engineering, designing roller coasters based on curved paths. For chemical engineering, tracking pollution flow in curved rivers. For electrical power engineering students, planning wind turbine layouts in a circular pattern. Next, module 2, vectors and geometry of spaces. 3-dimensional coordinate system, vectors, the dot product, the cross product, equation of lines and planes, cylinders and quadratic surfaces. So totally 6 chapters we are going to study in this module. What are the applications to the field of engineering? Mechanical engineering, controlling the 3D motion of drones or robotic arms. For chemical engineering, studying how gas moves in air filters. For electrical power engineering students, they'll be finding the position of satellites for communication. Let's go to module 3, which is partial derivatives. So the chapters which we are going to study over here are functions of several variables, partial derivatives, tangent planes and linear approximation, the chain rule, directional derivative and the gradient vector, maximum and minimum values. There are 2 types we are going to study. One is local maximum minimum and absolute maximum minimum. Now we will see the applications of this partial derivatives over the field of engineering. Number 1, mechanical engineering. For that, improving car engines for studying how speed and fuel use change. For chemical engineering, controlling the temperature and pressure in oil refineries. For electrical power engineering, studying how heat affects solar panel efficiency. Let's go to the last module, which is multiple integrals. So the chapters we are going to study over here are double integrals over rectangles, general regions, and double integrals in polar coordinates, then application of double integrals, then surface area, and the last chapter is triple integrals. So let's see the application of this multiple integrals over mechanical engineering, chemical engineering, and electrical power engineering. For mechanical engineering, calculating the total weight of an airplane. For chemical engineering, finding how much chemical is needed to clean the water tank. For electrical power engineering, calculating the total energy used in a city during a blackout. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.